Hello everyone and welcome back to this new video. There are many things which have changed after AI. Okay, a lot of things. Your mobile phone might have changed, your Google search might have changed, you have started using ChatGPT and Gemini and Grok and all. So there are a lot of changes which have happened. But there is one thing which I'm worried about you have not changed in your life. That one thing is there in your laptop from last 15 years. If I'm not wrong, that's Google Chrome. If you're still using Google Chrome, you're outdated. Okay, it's a very old browser now. There's a new browser which is agentic AI browser, which will not only search things for you, but which will do the work for you on your behalf. I'm talking about a tool named as Comet Browser. This is an agentic AI browser which will do all the work on your behalf. In this video, I'll cover about 4 important use cases which can save hundreds and hundreds of hours in a year, guaranteed, or which can help you to improve your product in the company. Let's begin. These 4 use cases are very simple and interesting. Now, the first use case is about the lead generation. Now, in the company, there are salespeople who usually struggle for doing better sales, but maximum time goes into searching for leads, potential leads from LinkedIn. If they spend a lot of time and they can also outsource, which happens to be around 1 lakhs to 1.5 lakhs per annum. Now, instead of outsourcing that work, you can ask agentic AI browser, which is Comet, to do all the work for you. I will ask them 4 things to do. I will ask them to understand my LinkedIn profile and target audience, find 100 decision makers which are HR, L&D, and maybe training related. And third, I'll ask them to collect all the verified contact details and the company details. And finally, I'll ask them to collect all the data and just put into a sheet. Prioritize those with a higher buying potential. So 4 things I'm asking this Comet browser. Obviously, this 4 bullet points which I'm giving you, I've created a prompt, and this prompt I'll put into this Comet browser. The moment I put this prompt into Comet browser, this Comet browser, it will take the control of my LinkedIn and automatically start searching the potential leads which I want. And at the end, within few minutes, it will give me all the leads into a Google Sheet in the descending order with the buying potential for, right? This is very interesting too. The second scenario is about the Gmail cleanup. I have 68,000 emails in my Gmail box and it is above 15 GB, and Google is asking me to buy more subscription. I have very few important emails. The remaining are mailer messages, subscription, newsletter, and so on. I don't want that. So what I'll ask my comment browser is identify promotional emails and newsletters. The first point. Second point, I'll ask them to auto archive or unsubscribe. The third one, I'll ask them to categorize the important emails into high priority, low priority, and some other priority. And last one, I'll ask them to give me the summary of all those things which I've done. Okay. So basically what will happen is based on this 4 pointers, I've created a prompt, and this prompt I'll put into the comment browser. Now what will happen is interesting thing that 68,000 emails on my screen, if you see, are being scanned automatically by this comment browser. It will automatically find out the emails which are promotional emails. It will unsubscribe those emails. It will also filter those emails and accordingly categorize those. Okay, it will take few minutes definitely. And finally, at the end, it will just give me a final summary report that I've gone through so and so emails, 68,000 emails. I've filtered so and so emails. I've unsubscribed those emails, or I've categorized those emails, right? That's so interesting. So 15 GB of data, which my Gmail occupies always, I don't have to use it, right? I don't have to sit manually. If I do it manually, it will take me hours and hours together. But this tool can do all the work on my behalf. It's an agentic AI browser. The third use case which I have for generating content ideas. Now, yeah, I'm a content creator. I create YouTube educational videos. There's a lot of fatigue which goes every month, finding which topics are trending, which videos to record, which posts to be done on LinkedIn. So instead of me doing the manual work every month, 10 to 15 hours almost are spent into this research work. Now what I'm doing here is I'll ask this browser to do 4 things for me. Number one, analyze my YouTube studio and also my LinkedIn profile. Number one. Second, identify what are the trending topics right now currently going on. Third, see what's already working on different channels and on my channel. And fourth, it will generate the content ideas. These are the 4 tasks which I'm giving to this comment browser. Based on this 4, I've created a prompt. I'll just paste the prompt into this comment browser. It takes the control of my browser here. Okay. It will understand my YouTube studio algorithm, my audience, my location, my timing, everything. And also it will go through my LinkedIn profile. Based on these 2 combinations, it is giving me the best ideas for which I can post the content on my YouTube channel. Now, the heavy lifting job of researching is being delegated, and now it is doing all the heavy work for me. This is an interesting browser. The fourth use case which I have is about the job searching. Data analysts definitely are looking for new jobs, but searching jobs is very boring. You have to go to different websites, keep on applying, and you do not know where exactly it is there. So I'll ask this Comet browser to do four things for me. Number one, search multiple job platforms together. It can be Naukri, Monster, Indeed, Naukri Gulf. It can be other platforms as well. The second, I'll ask them to focus on the job role. I'm a data analyst, so I want the jobs related to data analyst. The third, I'll ask them to collect the complete job details. Okay, which country, which city, which location, what package, and so on. And finally, ask them to get everything into one single spreadsheet. Okay, all those four things, based on these four bullet points, I've created a prompt, entered the prompt into this Comet browser. What will happen is, again, it is going to take the control of my browser, search all the different platforms whichever I've told them, collect all the data into one single Google Sheet. And this Google Sheet is a ready-made job application for me. Okay. So all those 100 jobs I can quickly apply for that, right? Rather than searching. Searching is a boring task. Instead of searching, it has done all the searching for me. My job is to click on every link and just apply for the jobs. This is an interesting tool. So remember, it is not free for everyone. For all the Airtel users, you can get 1 year of subscription free, or you might have to buy this tool. The link is given in the description and also the steps. So use this tool and replace your Google Chrome browser, which is old boring browser, with the new Comet browser. I hope you've understood this use cases. That's all for this video.